The end is literally near, guys. This is an emergency video because there's so many different things happening. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 63 cents, right? Now, something crazy just occurred, as we can see, with Bitcoin's price action just today, guys, right? Just recently, we seen this crazy candle or plummet in price to the downside, right? And it recovered. Why? We're going to be talking about in just a second. But before we do, there's so many different things happening, guys. First things first, alert! UK's Metro Bank is down, leaving thousands of customers without access to their accounts, guys, right? Online services and mobile apps not working as well. There we go. So another one bites the dust, guys, right? More of these things will occur probably before the collapse, right? This is why some people have a little bit of cash on the sidelines, guys, just in case of these certain situations occur or take place, which is why we should be very careful now, right? Now, why did Bitcoin's price plummet in price? Why did Bitcoin's price go down, right? Everything else did as well. It's because of this. This just occurred with Ledger. From Ledger, we have identified and removed a malicious version of the Ledger Connect kit. A genuine version is being pushed to replace the malicious file now. Do not interact with any dApps for the moment, guys. We will keep you informed as the situation evolves. Your Ledger device and Ledger Live were not compromised, right? So it seems like we're fine, guys, but what wasn't fine is this right here, is that do not connect to anything or your wallets could be drained. The best thing is to do nothing and connect to no websites. Do not try and log into your Ledger as well, guys, right? So basically, what just happened? As we can see, all the dApps that use the Ledger connectivity kits had their code replaced with this minimal drain value, right? So were people affected? Probably the people who were connecting Ledger Live to dApps with Wallet Connect, right? As we see right here. This is why when you, for me personally, when I store my XRP, guys, I only store XRP, right? I don't do anything with it. That's it, right? I just leave it be. But I don't try to connect to anything. I don't try to connect to any dApps or anything, guys, right? I just leave it be, which is why you should be very careful. I mean, probably no one watching this video got affected either way because we probably don't even use these decentralized applications, right? dApps. As we can see, Ledger, a maker of hardware wallets, provides ConnectKit software that decentralized finance protocols such as Lido, MetaMask, and Coinbase, along with Sushi, use to connect decentralized applications, right, to its products. By compromising the front end of a website or application, hackers can alter functions users see and con them into inadvertently sending cash to the exploiters rather than their own wallets. So these different projects or dApps, guys, got affected, it seems as, which I've never used in my life. So but this is why it's another good reason, guys, right? Two, if you guys are going to trade using Sushi Swap or these other applications, have it in a separate wallet, right? A smaller portion of your funds. But I don't even use any of these things, as you guys can see. Do not connect. I don't even think you guys do either. So, but for the people who do, right? But in the end, guys, it's not even our fault. It's Ledger's, right? Of why that even happened in the first place. I mean, that's a little bit fishy to say the least. That's why it's good to be diversified into different wallets. I'm with the Ledger and Zum. But Ledger library exploit explainer for average folks. What is going on with the recent alerts not to use dApps? A library that is used by many dApps that is maintained by Ledger was compromised and a wallet drainer was added. What do I do as a normal user? Do not interact with any dApps, front ends on websites for now. This is an ongoing situation and it is risky to use dApps currently if you do not understand what backend libraries they use. How do they drain your money? If you visit the website, guys, you won't get you won't get automatically drained or your funds of your funds. However, prompts from your browser wallets like MetaMask will display that give your access to the malicious actors, right? And Ledger obviously knows about it, guys. I'm pretty sure they have worked on it, but just to be safe, I wouldn't do anything with Ledger for the next days, right? Again, guys, just stay safe out there. But I don't even use any dApps, so I'm fine. Probably you guys don't either. Now, even Paolo came out, guys. Tether just froze the Ledger exploiter address, right? That's a good thing. This is why decentralized, by the way, right? A bit of centralization is nice. Exactly. You guys see why regulations will crack down, why there's going to be a crackdown on the full industry, right? Because of these damn narratives, guys, right? They're going to take full effect of it. It was made for decentralization, but no. Centralization, here we come. So just be safe out there, guys. But in the end, just do nothing, right? Now, okay, so all that, guys, besides all that, right? Now, guys, there's the fun part of XRP and the XRP community. Now, this is called, wait, interesting, new movie called, quote unquote, Civil War. So we got to talk about April, guys, right? How events are going to accelerate even quicker. So coming out spring of 2024, you just can't make this stuff up. Civil War, spring 2024. Right after the movie Leave the World Behind came out, they are literally telling you, right, at this point in time, if you can't figure it out, then I don't know what to say, guys, right? Because it seems as, so what is this movie even about, right? Civil War, again, spring, perhaps pertaining towards April, which we talked about. A black swan could occur. A new film coming to America in the spring of 2024. Here are my takeaways and thoughts. 19 states appears to have seceded from the Union and are called the Western Forces. As well as the Florida Alliance, they appear to be in war against the United States government. Oh, interesting. Right, remember when Mr. Poole said 2024 will not occur? It seems like these events will accelerate to make 2024 not occur, right? No elections. Someone will have to be forced into position. The Western forces will reach the White House on July 4th, The United States military appears to be activated and fighting against Americans to the point of dropping airstrikes on American citizens, guys, right? That was happening in the movie, it seems as. I'm not going to be playing the trailer, guys, or anything, right? But look at that. It just seems like an apocalypse, so to speak, right? Wow, this is insane, guys. So these movies are predictive programming. I just want to throw that out there. Now, at the 8-second mark, the three-term president. So he's talking about this right here. One sec.
Assures the uprising. Term president. The three-term president.
The three-term president. What could that be, guys? Look at this. How the hell did I not see this? Please welcome the 45th, 46th, and 47th president of the United States. That was not an accident, right? Look what he says. This is insane, guys. How? What? They're telling us in plain sight.
Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet and give a loud, warm New York welcome to our hometown hero, the 45th, the 46th, and the 47th of the United States, President Donald John Trump.
Can't make this stuff, guys. Wow, can't make that stuff up. I'm done. Wait, what? This wasn't even from a movie, right? But in the movie, they say that it's a three-term, what is it called? Three-term president, right? 40, what? 5th, 6th, and 7th. 1, 2, and 3. By 3 they come. Right, now Donald Trump comes out. We're going to continue with the decoding of the movie in just a second. We have a lot of different things to talk about. But Donald Trump came out. Justin, former President Trump, says United States will have one of the greatest economic years the nation has ever recorded if elected in 2024. So if we do have a recession here soon, right, maybe Donald Trump comes in and saves the day. April, around that same time frame. 2024 will not occur. Elections will not occur. What if elections are changed to earlier than expected? I don't know, but this is crazy. Listen, guys, we're cracking codes like never before, but not financial waste. Anything can occur.
Because of the momentum of our victory, we will have a U.S. economy roaring back, and in 2025, we'll have one of the greatest economic years this nation has ever recorded. You know that. Because of
crazy, guys.
Of the momentum of our.
So what do we think is going to occur? Right. Look at that. 2024 is looking like our year, right? 2024, I believe a recession will occur, right? A black swan will take place, guys. So back to the movie. Maybe someone will come in as a savior. I don't know, but they're planning something. Okay, so at the 41-second mark, there's a map in the reflection which appears to depict the factions represented by blue and red colors. Okay, for a 41-second mark, let's check this out. Oh, as we can see right there. So it seems like a divide within America itself, right? Why it's called the movie is called Civil War, guys. Now, at the 51-second mark, There is a sign on the building that says Jesus saves. The story appears to follow a team of journalists possibly trying to expose what's going on. They shoot journalists on site at the Capitol. My thoughts, the movie is a combination of with whose film that just happened, that was just released recently, Leave the World Behind, right? Which is not a coincidence, guys. So I don't know, but it appears Americans are being prepped for something very big. I will not be afraid, neither should you guys. It's that simple, right? Yes, events will be upcoming, which is quite simple, right? It's clear to see at this point in time. Why? Because it seems like it's signaling the collapse. Look at this from Ben Rickards. Predictive programming is being introduced to the mainstream conscious, right? Now, through the new release movies to support the collapse of the sovereign debt bubble and the currency crisis through inflation, right? So obviously, if we're talking about a collapse, guys, that's how bad it has to get. We told you, like, it's going to be like the What the Purge, guys, right? And we have never seen such a thing before. We're traversing through uncharted waters, okay? Not financial advice, but they're saying in plain sight at this point, right? So watching the world, watching Leave the World Behind and Flamingos are shown in the movie twice, right? In this movie twice, it is abundantly clear that the flamingo aim to take over the world and establish a new world space order. This is how I believe they will do it. First, by taking over most of the world around their ranges, and then establish their empires along with the lines of race. Also, the eclipse was in this movie. This movie was released in 11/22. On 11/22, 6 months from November is April, guys. The next eclipse is on April 8th. Are they planning something in April, right? The Great American Eclipse, which makes an X. Okay, so it's quite clear, guys, that it's all pointing towards possibly this time frame, right? Time range. Q1, Q2 of 2024 is going to be ballistics, it seems as. Why even David Schwartz even confirmed this? Because I apparently have blinders. I've had blinders on. I've missed the fact that until now, Black Thursday was on 10/24 in 1929. Okay. Now, when it comes to the potential meaning behind 124, 421, 214, the 1 is more than just a data point, as it were, right? 124, 412 right here. The Titanic sinks. 421, right? And then 421, you dropped the 0 from October. An explosion went off. Uh-oh. It seems, guys, wow, that's insane. What? Could it truly be that month? I don't know. Now, national emergency for Mr. Poole, we have seen a lot of different things say indoors, right? He warned the people. So, you know what that means? He wasn't lying. It means literal events, guys. Now, 2 years ago, on this day, we saw something incredible, right? Price glitches to the maximum degree. I thought maybe their clock was a little fast, pertaining towards that limit, right? And then suddenly, it's just purely glitches at the end of the day, though, right? Now, the fountain for today's video comes from Bob Cooks. Retail Zed, why do you think ETF news is happening now in December, right? It's because they want to eat you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, guys, right? So they could claim losses for the year. It's that simple. It seems as, right? So buy the rumor, sell the news event. Who knows? Let us see. But things are about to get pretty crazy. Now, financial advice, and stay safe out there, right? Literally, with your cryptocurrencies, physically, emotionally, everything, guys. Just stay safe out there and survive. Now, financial advice. But anyways, that's all for this. See ya.